Hello guys, this is Code Together, and today we're going to solve another 8K kata from Codewars. First read the instructions and find out what this example wants from us. Okay, I have a cat and dog. I got them at the same time as kitten and puppy. That was human years ago. Okay. Return their respective ages now as human years, cat years, and dog years. Notes. Okay. For the first year, cat years is equal to 15, and for the second year's cat years is equal to 9, and after that each cat years is equal 4, and for the dog years the first years is 15, the second years is 9, and after that each year is equal to 5. Okay, so we have to return the human years, cat years, and dog years. Okay. We have to use conditional statements, because if the human years is equal to 1, so the cat years is equal to 15, and the dog years is equal to 15. So just write it. If human years equal to 1, then return human years, which is 1, cat years, which is 15, and dog years, which is 15. And if human years is equal to 2, the second year, we just return human years is 2, cat years is for the first year 15 cat years, and the second year 9 cat years. So we have to write 15 plus 9. Okay, and the dog year is the same, 15 plus 9. Okay, if the human years is equal to 2, and else for the other situations we have to use else and return the human years, and human years multiply by 4 for each year after the second year for the cat years, and multiply by 5 for each year after the second year for the dog years. So for the first year and second year, the human years is equal to 15 plus 9, and 15 plus 9, and after that each human year is equal to 4 for cat years and 5 for dog years. So we have to write return human years, and the cat years is equal to human years minus 2 multiply by 4 for cat years and human years minus 2 multiply by 4, sorry, by 5 for the dog years. Okay, that's it, just test it. And it's mistakes. Why human years minus 2, just read the instructions again. Oh, sorry, we have to write it because we have the first year and second year. Okay, after that each year is equal to 4 or 5 for the years. Okay, that's correct, and attempt, and that's it, and enough for today, and good luck.